Namhlanje ungene osukwini lesibili eBoksburg eGauteng umhlangano wesigungu esiphezulu se-ANC. Iphini likaMengameli we-ANC uPaul Mashatile litshela abezindaba ngezinto okubhungwe ngazo namhlanje esigcawini ngaphakathi eqenjini.
Lo mhlangano wesigungu esiphezulu seqembu le-ANC uzogxila kwizinselele ezibhekene nezakhamuza kuleli njengoba leli qembu lakubona njengekhongco elibuthaka okhethweni lwedlule. Iphini likaMengameli we-ANC uPaul Mashatile uthi babhunge ngokuthi izidingo zizoya kanjani ebantwini.
Our focus is on fixing local government. You will recall from the January 8th statement where the president emphasized this matter, that this is a year of decisive action.
Inselele yokuqoza kokuphakelwa kwamanzi isenkulu.
We have realized that in the main, it's not that we don't have water in the country or the dams, but it's an issue of reticulation. That even in provinces where you do have the dams, there are some villages or areas where they are not adequately receiving water.
Nakuba ukucisha konga ugesi kade kwagcina ukwenzeka kuleli, kodwa uMashatile uthi ukuhamba kogesi ngenxa yokusindelwa okudalwa ukuxhunywa kogesi ngokungemthetho kuseyinselele enkulu.
When it comes to energy, we've done well with respect to load shedding, more than a year now without load shedding, but we are attending to issues of load reduction. The problem of load reduction is because in some areas, people are connecting illegally. And once they connect illegally, they overload the transformers.
Izinqumo ezizothathwa kulomhlangano welehutla kulindeleke zibe seqhulwini emhlanganweni wekhabhinethi kahulumeni emasontweni azayo.